Most of us know how we can remove the background from any image in the Keynote. But did you know that in Keynote you can also remove the background from your videos without using a green screen? Excited? Here's how. First, open your Keynote. You can use an existing document, but for the demo purpose, I create a new document. I choose a blank slide for a clear background, so it's easier to understand what I am doing here. Anyway, go to the top toolbar and select the Media button. Then go down and select the Live Video button. If you don't see this option here, please update your Keynote to version 12.2.1. As soon as I click on it, it will pop up my live shot. Let me adjust the windows first. Then I'll go over to the Settings window and under the Formats section, select the Live Video button. I'm going to go down to the background setting and check the box over here. And watch what happens. Boom, the background is gone. Now it's not perfect with live video, but it's pretty good. But more importantly, you don't need a green screen to get this effect. You can also add a color, gradient, or image fill to your background to the live videos. For that, click on this drop-down menu. We have 5 options here. Color will fill your background with a plain color. Of course, here you can choose any color of your choice. With gradient, you can mix 2 colors in your live video background. Then we have an advanced gradient option for 3-dimensional color. And here is my favorite image option. Just click on this Choose button. Browse any image of your choice. And insert it. Simple. And the last option is the advanced image option, where we mix color and an image in our live video background. So in this way, you can remove the background of any of your video. Want to learn more? Please subscribe MZ Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.